In this video, I'll show you how to make another account on Instagram, but before that, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to this channel. So let's get started. The first thing is tap on your profile picture in the bottom right, and then tap on the three bars in the top right. Go and click on settings, and once you've opened up your settings, you need to scroll to the bottom here. We have the option for add account, and we can also create new ones as well. So then tap on add account, and as you can see, we have these two options here. If you have another account that you want to add to your Instagram app, just tap log into existing account. Or if you want to create a brand new account, then tap on create new account. What you can do here is choose your username. Then you can tap on next after you type in your username. Instagram are actually offering share logins instead of creating a new password. But if you don't want to, just press not you at the bottom. And you can now create your own password for this new Instagram account. Please follow all the instructions Instagram gives you, and then your new profile will be made. Once you've created your new profile, you can easily go up and switch between accounts. Just tap on your profile picture in the bottom right, and then it's going to show you all the accounts you've got. That's basically it, guys. Thanks for watching. Till next time. Bye.